leaders, Clifford R. Marak, he has submitted the multiple memorandum to the government of India, to the multiple prime minister, including Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Narasimha Rao, I.K. Gujral. I have all the records. But most importantly, I'm so happy to share with you that at last, that is not mentioned here, that coordination committee of the creation of Garo state and the separate Khasi state, they have submitted the joint memorandum to the Honorable Prime Minister, the then Honorable Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Here they have stated that Garo people also demanding for the separate statehood, the existing area, the contiguous area of the Garo hills. The Khasi states also demanding the same, including Block 1 and Block 2, where they mentioned. They have mentioned that the separate Khasi giant state should be created under Article 371 J. It's J. Yes, J. Based on the linguistic line. And for the Garo state, Article 371 K. And the same line, that memorandum we have, that we had one pressure group, that organizing group, called Garo Hills State Demand Committee, GSSMC, GSSMC, and we met the leaders from the central government, including Rajnath Singh was the Home Minister at that time. I met him twice when I was the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Government Councils. And during our meeting, he has clearly stated that it's a matter of state government. If you agree to bifurcate the Meghalaya, you have to resolve in the Meghalaya Assembly. Then only we don't have any worry. If you are both sides are happy to separate each other.
Okay, that is a very good.
That was the point from the Rajnath Singh report.
Rajnath Singh,
based on that, on 2018 election, we have a coordination committee with the UDP. Unfortunately, none of us elected from the Garo Hills. UDP has elected many MLAs, but none of us elected from the GNC. So after that, we have met and we have discussed, and that time he promised me I will discuss with the HSPDP leaders, because I am coordinating with two statehood demand party. He stated. So that's why our main concern is to mobilize the people politically. That until and unless we have not resolved in the assembly, that it's maybe many excuse to the central government to deny it. So that is my point. And now again another thing, that beyond that statutory coordination committee, we have another political coordination committee also between GNC and HSPDP. Yes.